how to withdraw money from Fidelity Investment account. Hey guys, welcome back. In this following video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can withdraw money from Fidelity Investment. In order to withdraw money from Fidelity Investment, open up any web browser of your choice. As for this video, I'm using Google Chrome. And once you open up your web browser, and after that on the web address bar, type in or paste in the link, that is www.fidelity.com. So after you type in the link, you'll be directed to its official site. So first of all, you need to log in into your account. For that, click on the login button in the upper left hand side corner. So to log in into your account, you need to provide in your user ID and a password. Enter in the information quickly and click on the login button. And after you're logged into your account, you'll be taken to the home page, and this is how the interface is going to look like. In order to withdraw money, first of all, what you need to do is, as you can see right on top, there are multiple tabs, and from the list you need to click on the transfer button. So as you click on the transfer button, a pop-up menu appears right in front of your screen, and right on this page you need to select from which account you want to actually make a transaction or transfer the amount. So select the account on this arrow icon right in the corner, and you also need to select the recipient details or enter in the details or to which account you're actually making a transaction. Once you're done entering all of these information, click on the continue button. Next page, you'll be asked to enter the amount that you transfer. So enter the amount, and you can also add a memo or a description to it. If you don't want to do it, then simply skip that part and click on the continue button. Lastly, you'll be asked to review all of the information that you've provided, go through the terms and conditions, and if you're sure about it, then click on the transfer or withdraw button. Then you'll be notified through a statement that the transaction has successfully completed, and in this way you can withdraw money from your Fidelity Investment account. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.